What's up, mi gente? Let's get to cooking. We are going to start with our olive oil vinaigrette. Now moving on to our roasted garlic herb butter and our pesto. Now I added on a lot of pesto because I absolutely love the flavor that it gives. And now for some sazon completo. And of course, some garlic powder. I went heavy on the garlic. You don't have to though. And into the oven they go at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. Now this is our 30-minute midway point. I'm going to be breaking them up because those three were just stuck together still. And I'm going to be making sure that I mix them around those juices so that they can cook evenly. And we're going to be adding on some barbecue sauce next. You can add any barbecue sauce of your choice. And now that they're evenly coated, we are going to put them back into the oven at 400 degrees for another 30 minutes. And look at this, just perfection. They are so tender, and I guarantee you they tasted so delicious. If you guys decide to try this recipe, remember to comment in the comment section, and remember to like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.